Hi everyone. So you can see this is a 5 series which has come for a infotainment upgrade, and you can check the existing infotainment. So the size, first of all, that's small, but more than that, uh, features like the Google Maps, YouTube, all those things are not there in this. So we'll be now replacing this with the Android infotainment system, and all these functions which you're operating from here or even from the steering mount control, all that will be operational. And now the team will be installing this, so we'll be removing this, also the frame, and then we'll be installing the new screen. So stay tuned, we'll show you the process of installation as well, and once it's done we'll again show you how it is looking after this is done. Thank you. Hi everyone. So now you can see the complete installation is done, and this is the standard Android screen. And right now what you see in this car is the actual screen of how it looks without using the Android. But if you want to shift to the Android, then you can just press this and now you are at the Android screen. So these type of screens overlap on the existing system. It's not that your existing system doesn't work. Everything, whatever you had in your existing system, will work via this overlapping screen. And now you can see all the apps, and you can actually link your phone. So this is the Apple iPhone which has been linked. This is our customers only, and we have already done the mapping. Let me see the music. So now you can see the steering mount control, everything is working like how it was working before. So it has the Google Maps, and right now what this is, I think Apple Map, what's there in the existing phone. There's also Google Maps, and let me show you the YouTube. So you can go to the Play Store and install the YouTube. So the customer will sign in based on his signing ID and all that. But yeah, now you can see the screen. It's much better than what it was before, and all the data of the car is also there. So when you shift to the car, you will get the old data. Now I think everything that you control, or your volume setting, whatever you were doing earlier in the original screen, everything is here. You can actually go to the BMW service setting also and see when is the service due, everything. So whatever was there before, everything is still there in this car. But now the screen is smart, it's bigger. You can use the functions which you are not able to use, like Google Maps or YouTube. All that thing can be done. You can also watch videos in this. So now you can see, okay, so there's the full screen over here, and now you can see the clarity and everything. So this is much better experience than what was there in the car before. And in case if you're looking for any such job, like in your premium car you want to put better infotainment system, you can call us on 7666 930 930 for Mumbai, and 766830 for Hyderabad. And today we have also installed in one Range Rover Evoque. I'll shoot that after this. So guys, if you're looking for any such premium jobs, do call us, and you can visit our Instagram, YouTube. We do have a website also. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you guys.